Okay, I have sent a few collection, okay. Those consisting of generating auth, how will generate auth. You're booking something there, okay, booking hotel or something. You're booking something. Once you hit the API, you'll get a booking ID, okay, booking detail with the name and so and so. Then you are fetching the all booking IDs, whichever are there. Then you are fetching the particular booking ID. Then like you're updating that ID, then you are partially updating the ID, then you're deleting that booking ID. This is all about the API. Okay, when we come to API, it will directly interact with the backend, nothing to do with UI. Okay, now how we add a device or how we book, like just think that in SpiceJet you're booking some ticket, right? We'll have to do so much circus that like, okay, go to UI, launch this URI, provide this detail, then click on this, do that. But here is nothing. We'll hit some API, the specific data will give it, that will happen. Okay, so the collection which I've sent you, how you guys are supposed to import this, click on this import button. Okay, file, okay, upload file. My learning Postman collection, same thing, I have sent it to you. Okay, just import. Okay, format is already existing, so I'm not able to see. For you guys will be able to import here and you'll be able to see it on this console. Okay, now for me also again it got imported, though I clicked on cancel. Okay, just think in this class of what you go through is just be familiar with the APIs. Okay, now, when we come to Postman, just we are using it to here. We are not learning much about the Postman. We are learning here how to, for rest assured thing is there, right? For that, we are taking a help of Postman, like what is the method, what is the header, what is the body, to see all that. Now, when we come to methods, we'll have mainly we are focusing on post, get, put, patch, and delete. Only these 5 methods will be using. During real time also 99% you guys will be using this only. Mainly post, get, delete and put. Patch also very rarely we use, but still we should know that. Okay. So if you know this method, that's more than sufficient. So first interview question is they'll ask you, what are the methods that you have used in your Postman collection or a REST assured API? Okay, you can name these methods. Get, post, put, patch, delete. Okay, so what post does initially? I'm creating some booking, right? What post does? Post is nothing but you're creating a new entry in the server. Okay, get, what it does means you're getting some detail from the server, fetching some detail. Okay, here.
Okay, she's back.
Okay, so as I said, the last first question is what are the methods that you have come across your API testing or rest assured? Okay, that time you can tell get, post, put, patch, and delete. So mainly in the real time also we'll be using all these APIs. Okay, 99% is all this. Mainly in this also again get, post, put, and delete. Patch only very rarely we use. Okay, so what post does is first of all, okay. So post it does is like, for example, if you have to create a new entry in the server, that means you're creating some new entry. Creating booking is nothing but you are creating something, right? That case we'll use post. Okay. For example, if you want to fetch some detail, okay. For example, you have booked something, you want to get that detail, or you have a student table, you want to get some student detail by using a ID. In that case, we'll use a get, means to fetch the data from the server side. Okay. Put, what way we're using means put we are using you if you want to update your data. Okay. You have to update your some data with first time or last time. For example, in that case, you will use your put. Patch where we are using is partially update if you want to update. In that case, we'll use patch. Delete is nothing but for deleting that particular entry. Okay. So how we'll hit the API? What is the API's combination of? Okay. Just see it. API will have first of all the method followed by your URI. Okay, this is a URI. Just think. This will have a header and body. As of now, go only with these 3 stuffs. Okay, parameter anyways for this API it is not there. Header is content type is application.json and always it will be there. Okay, body, it depends on your developer, whatever they're giving. Real time, you don't have to develop this API. Okay, these APIs you'll get it from your developer. They'll give in the form of collection or in the form of a document where it will be said, okay, this is your header, this is your body, just you'll copy it and you'll paste it on your thing. Okay, just think here like I'm generating my auth. Okay, I'm hitting this API. For this API, I'm giving user ID and password. This is the prerequisite. However, the API is given body. I have mentioned, okay, username was this thing, password was this thing. Header was content type is application.json. This remains same. Okay, when I hit this API, I'll get a code, right? 200, okay, is nothing but it is success. So when we come to API, you will get your so many things. When we are in server side also, or when we are in Google, we'll get like sometimes 400, 403, 500, 502, 200, 201. These all are the codes. So when we come to 200 is always, it is successful side, okay? Created or it is okay, okay signal, those kind of. 400 is something if you're providing wrong from your end, you'll get 400. Okay, something if it is wrong from the server side, that you'll get it in the 500 series. Okay, now when I hit this API, when I hit this authorization API, I'm getting one token. Okay, now why I'm getting this token, you guys will understand. I have this body, right? Here I'm creating one, I'm booking one ticket, total price I want to make it as 50,000. I'll make it Rekha Ram 1. Okay, I'm like additional need, I want a dinner. I'm booking for that. Okay. Now in where it is asking for. Okay, so it is not asking for any authorization. I'll just try to book it with this detail. Okay, this URI remains the same. Okay, only the thing is I need to change in body. Okay, I can make it as a Preeti or Kajol. You guys can enter your name. Just click on the send. See, here it is telling booking ID was 33. Okay, my booking ID was 33. First name was this. It got created. Your booking is done. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just, my booking ID is 33, I know, right? I'll just try to get this booking detail with the ID I need to give it to get. Okay, then what it is asking for, is it asking for anything else? Okay, no. Okay, okay, so I'll just try to hit this. It is not asking for anything. Okay, here also if I just get, now I have posted that to the server, right? Posted something, but you're making an entry. Get is nothing, but I'm trying to fetch that with 33. Okay, here it is telling, okay, with booking ID 33, first name was Rekha's, last name was Ram 1, and total price was 50,000. Additional detail was dinner. Okay, it is fetched. Okay, in update, what I'll do is, okay, this is the data for update, right? Okay, what it is asking for. If I have to do any update, now what I'm making is first name, I'll make it to, what I'll make it to? I'll make it to Rekha. Okay, I'll make it to, okay. Now total price also have changed. Okay, but updating thing you cannot do that easily. Okay, it is asking for your cookie token, that authorization token which you generated, right? Creating is fine. You're creating your booking ID. And getting that also is fine. That is not harming anybody. Okay. But updating it may harm. Okay. I may update Preeti's, I may update Kajal's, I may update anyone's, right? So I don't have to do that, right? For that particular authorization should be there. Okay. I'm putting this, that it is asking for prerequisite is, okay. First, I'll show you without sending the prerequisite. Okay. See, it is telling forbidden. Okay, because the token was not matching. What I'll do is now I'll just try to give this token. Okay, now I'll try to send. Okay, it was not here. Okay, I think the URI is not working, but this is how it works. If you provide this, just a second, once again. Okay, I'll have to provide the booking ID, right? My booking ID was 33. 33 authorization was this. This once authorization it will be holds good for one booking ID. Okay. For with the help of that, just I booked one ID, right? That was like 33, right? It was 33, right? And I have got fetched that and I'm also able to fetch it properly. Now I want to update that 33 with this token. Okay. Now just provide this token as wrong. We'll see what we're getting. Forbidden, right? Now, okay. Token equal to, I'll just try to provide this token. Okay. I'll provide this in the update. Okay. Now I'll try to hit. So it is showing. Okay, this is something wrong. I'll just check it in the and I'll get back to you. But this is how, like, if you
What is
provide the
different? I guess here it is breakfast is there. Previously it was dinner was
no,
there.
that doesn't matter. I'll just tell it to
Okay.
you later. What is that? Okay, partially update is like you can just update with the. Okay, still the partially is updating or not. Okay, this is also not okay. That means this is able to get this data. Not found. Okay, this is someone deleted, admin deleted, I guess. Okay, just I'll show you quickly. Okay, now this is my authorization. I am just creating one with the help of this. This is 19, right? I'll just show you quickly, okay? 19 was my booking ID, right? Okay, I'll just provide it 19. They'll delete it off soon, okay? Because there'll be huge data. This is testing site, right? Okay, with 19, I found this. Okay, now what I'll do is with 19, I'll get this ID and I'll try to give this. All right. See, it is updated. Got it. So this is now if you do a get, because I updated something, right? If you get, it will get changed here directly in the server. Understood, right? Same thing in the again for deleting. If I want to create a like delete a entry, okay, I'll just have to provide the booking ID was 19. My token is the authorization token was this. Okay, I'm hitting this. Okay, created means like it got deleted successfully. 200 series is successful, right? Now just if I do a booking detail because 19, I already deleted. Now I'll not be able to find the data because it is not found. It is already deleted. This is all about the Postman APIs, how we hit and all. Okay, you be familiar with this. Next session will start with the rest assured.